Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how we can fix if Chrome is frequently getting stuck. In this Chrome also, I faced the same issue by doing some troubleshooting steps. It got solved. Actually, when I open YouTube, when I want to play some video, it just used to say wait or close, means that is being stuck. So how we can solve that? The first thing you can do is avoid these many tabs on your Chrome. And one more thing, you just need to close your Chrome and relaunch it once. Okay. And one more thing you can do is click on these three dots and click on settings here, and under Chrome settings you need to click on privacy and security, and here you will find an option called clear browsing data. So when you click on this, you need to click on this all time and click on clear data, but make sure all this browsing history or cookies and other side data and cached files, everything will uh, get removed. So if you don't want to delete browsing history, you can uncheck and you can clear the data. By clearing the data or the internal files, Google Chrome will get a bit speed up. So make sure if you want to delete this one. Okay, after this thing, you can just close the Chrome and relaunch it once. And the most important thing, one thing you can do is check for the extensions. See here, this is the symbol for extensions. Tap on this and see what all the extensions you added on Chrome. For major part of time, these extensions what you have added externally to Chrome will make the Chrome slower. For me, this one. So I'll just remove this from Chrome. I don't want this extension. Maybe this is causing a lot of heavy on Chrome. Maybe this is one of the reason for this to get stuck. Likewise, if you have any added external extensions, you can click on settings and find the extensions here under Chrome settings. See, if you tap on this, you will find all the extensions here. So if you have enabled anything, you can remove it from here. Okay, to make Google Chrome work a bit faster. So okay, and under settings you can click on about Chrome and see whether the Chrome is up to date. So if it is not up to date, you can just, okay, my Chrome is up to date, you can just update the Chrome so that by updation few of the glitches or the problems get solved. So, and few more reasons for your Chrome to get stuck is maybe any malware or something antivirus software is running on your computer. Just disable that and check it once, because these may conflict with the Chrome running and may make it possible to Chrome to get stuck. So disable that malware or that antivirus software or something like that, and try to restart your computer and check it once. I hope and wish your problems of Chrome getting stuck will be solved. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.